everyone, this is your 7th lesson in Grade 4 Social Science. Today's chapter is India and its neighbors. Before we start our today's topic, shall we learn your new words? New words. Ethnic. Connected with or belonging to a nation, a race, or people that share a cultural tradition. Subcontinent. A large landmass that forms part of a continent. Abundant. Existing in large quantities. Cooperation. Doing something together or working together. Landlocked. Surrounded by land from all sides. Civilization. State of human society that is very developed. Religion. Belief or faith in God. Monastery. Buildings in which monks live together. Flora and fauna. Plants and animals. Now we are going to see our today's topic is Indian subcontinent. India is a vast country with abundant resources and diverse cultures and religions. India lies in South Asia. New Delhi is the capital of India. India and some of its neighboring countries together form the Indian subcontinent. India is surrounded by countries such as Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh, Myanmar in the east, and Sri Lanka in the south. India has had a long relationship with all its neighbors. For hundreds of years, India has exchanged ideas, traded and shared religious and cultural traditions with her neighbors. Even now, India maintains friendly relationships and promotes peace and cooperation in the region. In this chapter, we will learn more about the neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a landlocked mountains country. It lies along the northwestern boundary of India. Its total population is about 37 million. Kabul is the capital and the largest city in Afghanistan. It is about 5,000 years old. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. Afghanistan is a beautiful country with snow-covered peaks and cold deserts. Glaciers are an important source for the country's water requirements. Afghanistan means the land of the Afghan. The population of Afghanistan comprises Pashtuns, Tajiks, Hazras, and Uzbeks. Most people follow Islam and a few are Sikhs, Hindus, and Jews. The official languages are Pashto and Dari. Afghanistan is rich in a rare blue stone called lapis lazuli. This stone has been used to decorate royal buildings and mosques. Bangladesh. Bangladesh lies in between the eastern part of India. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a population of about 167 million. The majority of its population is Muslim. Bangladesh is a very young country. It was formed as an independent nation in the year 1971. The currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Bengali is the national language of Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh share the river waters of Brahmaputra and Ganga. Bangladesh has hot and humid climate. It receives heavy rainfall. 2/3 of Bangladeshis are farmers. Bangladesh produces large quantities of rice, potato, mango, pineapple, banana, jute, and tea. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a popular freedom fighter of Bangladesh. Bhutan. Bhutan is known to the Bhutanese people as Dracul or the land of the thunder dragon. Bhutan is a landlocked country located in the eastern Himalayas. To its south east and west is India and to the north is China. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, which is the largest city of Bhutan. Ngultram is the currency used in Bhutan. About 70% of the country is covered with dense Himalayan forest. The dense forests of Bhutan support abundant wildlife such as golden, langur, snow leopard, tiger, etc. It has high mountains and deep valleys in which the snow-fed rivers flow. Mochu and the Drang Michu are the major rivers. The main occupation of the people in Bhutan is agriculture. Buddhism is the major religion of Bhutan. Gangar Pyunsam at 7,570 meters is the highest peak in Bhutan. It is the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. China. China is situated in East Asia. China lies to the north of India. Beijing is the capital of China. China has the world's highest population of 1.4 billion people. Renminbi is the currency of China. Han is the major group of people in China. The official language of China is Mandarin. It's a standard Chinese language. China has dense forests, mountains, plateaus, and sandy deserts. China's bamboo forests are the only home for the endangered giant panda. China has many big rivers, of which the Yangtze and the Yellow River are the most important. China is the world's largest producer of rice and cotton. China is one of the oldest civilizations. China invented the technique of making paper, the compass, silk, gunpowder, calligraphy, and printing, among many other things. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world, which stretches up to 8,851.8 km. It was built to protect the Chinese Empire from various attacks. Myanmar, Burma. After India, Myanmar is the largest country in Southeast Asia. The country shares its northwest boundary with the eastern parts of India. Myanmar has a population of about 54 million. The majority of the people are Buddhist. The currency of Myanmar is Kyat. Nay Piao is the country's capital city, located at a small distance from its largest city of Rangoon. Burmese is the official language of Myanmar. Irrawaddy is the Burma's longest river, which runs up to a length of 2,170 kilometers. The majority of Burma's population lives in the Irrawaddy Valley and cultivates rice. Rice is the main food crop. Nepal. Nepal is a landlocked country. It lies along the northeastern boundary of India. It is also a mountainous country with a population of about 30 million people. Its capital city is Kathmandu and the currency is the Nepalese rupee. The main attraction of Nepal is Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. Nepal is the second richest country in water resources in the world. Karnali is the longest river of Nepal. Hinduism and Buddhism are important religions here. Nepal's temples and monasteries are popular tourist spots. Nepal has 8 of the world's 10 tallest mountains, including the highest mountain on earth, Mount Everest. Pakistan. Pakistan lies to the west of India. Its capital is Islamabad. Its population is about 204 million. The currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. Pakistan has diverse landforms varying from plains to Himalayas, deserts, forests, and coastal areas of the Arabian Sea. This has resulted in varied living conditions, occupations, customs, and traditions in different regions of Pakistan. Pakistan has various ethnic groups, of which Punjabis, Pashtuns, and Sindhus are the main groups. Wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and onion are the major crops. Indus River irrigates most of the agriculture land in Pakistan. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation which is located just off the southern tip of India. Its population is about 21 million. Its capital city is Sri Jayawardenepura Koti. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. The island has an abundance of natural resources, flora and fauna, mountains, rivers, and beautiful beaches. Sinhalese and Tamil are two official languages. It is known for the protection of tea, coffee, and cinnamon. Most of the people in Sri Lanka are Buddhist. Maldives. Maldives is a country full of natural beauty. It is one of the popular tourist destinations in South Asia. Its people are known as Maldivians. Its population is about 4,51,290. The capital city of Maldives is Male. The currency of Maldives is Rufiyaa. Buddhism and Islam are popular religions in Maldives. The language of Maldives is similar to the Tamil and Sinhalese languages. Maldives look like a godland of islands. Most of the islands in Maldives are shorter than a mile. Minicoy is the largest of its islands. Maldives has abundant resources of fisheries in its coastal areas. The extension of Maldives is threatened due to global warming and rising sea levels. All these neighboring countries have shared trade and cultural ties over centuries. They have been influenced by each other's languages, religions, and ethnic traditions. India has always played a very important role in maintaining good relations with her neighboring countries. SAARC. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. The members of SAARC are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. The first SAARC summit was held in Dhaka from 6 to 8 December 1985, when the organization was established. SAARC is an international organization. It promotes friendship, trust, and understanding among its member countries. It promotes cooperation in agriculture, science and technology, culture, health, population control, anti-terrorism, and many other things. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you the do and document activity. Refer your concept book in the page number of 96 and answer the following questions. Do and document. Form two groups. Assign 4 countries to each group. The first group will give 5 clues to the second group. The second group will guess the name of the countries based on the given clues. Repeat the process with second group. In case the clues given are inadequate, the group may be allowed one chance to give an additional clue. Answer the following questions. Your first question is, name of the countries for which my group gave clues. Name of the countries for which my group gave clues. Your second question is, name of the countries my group answered clues for. Name of the countries my group answered clues for. Your third question is, the clues given by my group with the name of the country. The clues given by my group with the name of the country. I hope that you enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.